guys, what's up? Here goes a cover of Rainier Song by one of my favorite anime, Tsubasa Chronicles. And so the song will be dedicated to my subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting, and I hope you guys will keep listening to my YouTube. So here goes the song for you guys. Now we've come so far from dust.